Hi, friends. I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about your digital marketing's specific message. Here's a mistake that we all have a tendency to make as we get started in our digital marketing campaign. We'll say something in a Google ad, whether it's a banner or it's a Google AdWord campaign, but we'll say something like, we have products on sale, learn more, and that doesn't help the business grow. When instead, you need to focus on a specific message, and your ad, all ads, whether it's on the radio, TV, newspaper, digital, are based on having three components, okay? Just going to make this look like a digital ad. For starters, you're going to have your specific message. New spring dresses on sale, okay? Spring dresses, that's the main piece. Here is going to be our image, okay? And maybe it's a carousel of images depending on how you're doing your media. And those images should be new spring fashions. And then down here you have a button. You have what's called a call to action. A little bit of jargon for you, sometimes called a CTA. We as human beings are stupid. All right, when a button says click to learn more, we don't want to learn more. Learning means work. But what we want somebody to do is to buy now. So we have a button that says buy now, shop here. You understand what I'm talking about. The problem that we're running into is instead of having a specific message, it may say something like Jane's Boutique. Okay, so what? Dave's Running Store. All right, Anton's Kayaks. Okay, so what? You see, you don't have to use this real estate for the name of your business. After all, the person who's buying, they might care about the business, but really what they're focused on is spring dresses, new kayaks in stock, trail running shoes for your next trail marathon are here with images, and then they buy now. So what it's coming down to is the specific message. I had a prospective client, still working with them. Their social media campaign focused solely on Instagram and Facebook. And what they had was a new line of inventory. It was a boutique, but what they would always say is new inventory now. That was their message. And the carousel images were a picture of several young ladies, with their hats and their glasses, and the images looked fantastic. But it was a bunch of images. We really didn't know what the inventory was. Was it the hat? Was it the glasses? Was it the dress? Was it the makeup? Was it everything? And then when I talked to her, I said, well, who's your target customer? Remember, who are we spending 80% of our time talking to? And she says, well, I want to talk to women between the ages of 35 and 65. Well, one of the challenges she had is she didn't have a specific message. It said new inventory now. On her image, she had a bunch of, young 20-year-old models. No disrespect to 20-year-old models, but if I want to talk to a 35 to 65-year-old woman, you need a 35 to 65-year-old woman as your model. And then her call to action didn't say buy now, it said learn more. So it was a good start, but we didn't know what we were looking at, who we were looking at, and what we were supposed to do. So we're going through now, and the images look fantastic, but we're retooling things. Are we going to focus solely on dresses, just on hats, just on glasses, and have multiple campaigns for each particular product? We're shifting who our models are going to be. And instead of saying learn more, we want somebody to buy now. So it comes down to your specific message. If you like classes like this, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and click like as well. And let me know if there's something you want me to cover. You can reach me on all the places on social. You can drop me an email. You can also find me at themarketingprofessor.net. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.